And welcome to DreamWatch Kitchen. I'm your host Daniel, and this is
Kristen.
And we're making Japanese curry. Is that right?
Mm-hmm. Chicken.
Chicken curry and some dumplings.
Yep.
All right. So first thing we did was we cut up some carrots and
Potatoes.
2 onions, 2 potatoes. How many carrots do we have?
I think 3.
I like 3 carrots.
But
Maybe
it's up
4
to
if
you. You
want.
can put
Do you like carrots? Do you like potatoes?
Yeah.
Do you like onions? It's up to you.
Yep. So we cut them all up. You can cut them however you desire. And then we put some chicken in here. Cook the chicken first, and now we're going to add all the vegetables.
Boom.
So
Adding.
we can saute them all together. Let's just add this for now.
That's good. Give it a little shake just to pretend you're fancy.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
And then we'll just go ahead and stir this up. You can cook it for about 5 minutes until all the vegetables are tender and to your liking.
Beautiful. Once they are cooked, we're going to be adding them to water that currently is boiling for us, and adding in the S&B golden curry, the yellow curry, I think it is. Is that correct?
It's pretty brown, but
It's brown curry. That doesn't sound as good as yellow curry, though. So we're going to go with yellow.
okay. That's Daniel's favorite.
And welcome back to, what's it called? DreamWatch Kitchen.
We're back with the dumplings.
We're back in better than ever. We're making some
dumplings. So while the curry's cooking, so these are wonton skins or gyoza skins, dumpling skins. So we're making them from scratch. So this is a little contraption to help you make the dumpling a little bit easier. So inside the filling there's meat and some spices. So there's ground pork, there's chashu, which is barbecue pork, green onion, some water chestnuts, and then the flavoring.
Get a good
Yeah,
look
get a
there.
good picture.
All right.
And the flavoring is just
Beautiful.
some salt and sugar, soy sauce, some oyster sauce. You can also add some hoisin sauce if you want. All of this stuff you can find at any local Chinese restaurant or Chinese market. So what you're gonna do, like Daniel's doing, is you put in some meat, just a little bit, so that the whole skin can close, and then you line it with some water to help it seal. Use a little contraption,
Bang.
tight.
Open
Make sure
her
you
up.
have a great seal. And
Dumplings,
there you go.
wontons, gyoza.
Pot stickers. There's one. Mandu, just keep doing
There's
that for
one.
the rest of it.
Ton.
So
Right.
we're gonna bring it over here, and we have this nifty little strainer. So we'll just stick some of them in here. Boil it for about 30 seconds. So the meat's already cooked inside, so you don't have to worry about cooking the meat. But we'll just cook the skins for a little bit. Takes about 30 seconds, but in the meantime, while we're waiting, Dan can probably tell a funny story about.
Here's a joke for you guys.
Here's a joke.
What's the difference between a dirty bus stop and a lobster with big boobs? One is a crusty bus station, and the other is a busty crustacean. That's when you enter the sound effect of the crowd going crazy.
Laughing,
They're going wild for my joke right now. Yes, that's on. So after the 30 seconds of boiling, Kristen, do we transfer it to this pan?
We do.
Okay, this one has a little bit of olive oil in it, and it's on low right now.
You can turn on, maybe raise
Oh,
it to a little
We're
medium
gonna
or
do a
something.
little bit hotter now. Just above medium. We're getting laughed at right now.
Okay, so then once these are a little bit ready, let's just try and see.
Okay.
We'll go ahead and put these on here.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Go ahead and Daniel's gonna stir some up, fry them
Okay,
up, and
frying.
then put them on a plate.
Try not to make them stick too much. They like to
They do like to
latch
stir.
on pretty quick. And when I say pretty quick, I mean like instantly. Let me turn this down.
Instantly.
Alright. You want to just flip it over, get a little time on each side.
You can look for the little starting to burn. That's getting there.
Okay.
Give it a little bit longer. Maybe.
This one needs to get flipped.
You want to wait till it browns a little bit.
Okay.
Maybe you can add more oil after this.
Yes, we
too.
will.
I'm trying to use a non-stick pan.
Yeah, maybe maybe don't do what we're currently doing. That one ripped open. That's gonna happen. It tastes the same.
Yeah, all the same ingredients. And that's pretty much the process. After that, you can put it onto a plate and enjoy.
Ding. We've just finished making Japanese brown or yellow curry, whatever you want to call it, chicken curry, and some pot stickers, wontons, whatever you want to call those as well.
So now we'll try it.
Go for it, Kristen. Hopefully it's not too hot.
It's a little bit steamy, but the best part.
I'm gonna try some too. Gotta get some chicken in there.
It's great.